Are you looking to earn some extra money working from home? Are you struggling at the moment to make ends meet? And would some additional income each month make a big difference to you at the moment? Now, I'm not here to talk to you about any get-rich-quick scheme, easy for some to say, but this is dependent on you putting in some time and some effort. But I can show you a way to earn some extra income. These are just my thoughts. There are, I'm sure, lots and lots of different ways that you can go about earning some extra money. But I really want to share with you something that I'm ever so passionate about. Have you considered catalogue distribution? And before you throw your hands up in horror, it's not as hard as you'd think it is. It's actually a really decent way to earn as much money as you'd like to earn each month. It does involve legwork. I'm not going to lie to you. Literally legwork. You are actually going to go out and walk to distribute some catalogues. But you know what? Not only are you going to be working on your wealth, but you'll work on your health at the same time. And what could be better? First of all, you're going to start off by doing some market research. But the best thing is you get paid while you're doing that. So this is just about finding out about where the customers are located. So you do that by distributing the catalogue in your local neighbourhood. So you can start with your own street. It's as easy as leaving your front door and either turn left or turn right. You take the pick and start there. And what you're going to do is you're going to drop a catalogue through every letterbox, and you're going to go back a couple of days later to pick the catalogues up and see who's ordered. That's what I mean by my market research. You're looking to see where are the customers, because you don't know. You don't know until you drop a catalogue off to find out who's interested. So that's where the legwork's involved. You're going to continue to do that over and over and over again with your catalogues until you're happy with the customer base that you've built. Now that might be you finding 20 customers, because an extra 50 quid a month might make a really big difference to your household income. It might be that you want more than that. You might want an extra £1,000 a month, in which case you're going to keep repeating it until you've found yourself a good few hundred customers that will make a massive difference to your household income. The great news is, once you've done your market research, you're able to then cut down on your hours, because you're just going to serve the customers that you've got and keep maintaining that income. Some tips that I would offer you. When you're thinking about catalogue distribution, you really want to pick a product that you're selling that is consumable. You're looking for things that people are going to buy repeatedly. So you're not looking for something that's going to be a one-off purchase. Look for things that people are going to buy again and again. Keep expanding with your distribution until you're happy with what you earn. The sky is the limit. I do remember, just so you know, this is something I do myself. The first time I ever went out with my catalogues, I thought it was going to take me forever. And it didn't. It was ridiculously quick to drop them off. Ridiculously quick to go and pick them back up again. And all I needed to do was repeat that. This is something that could bring an extra income into your household. If you're interested, drop me a comment in the messages below or click on the link that you'll find in my about info.